Hi guys, it's Sorcerer Sarah from Beery Good Entertainment. I know we've done a lot of summer beers, and here's another pretty bloody good one. I've picked up Caldera's Lawnmower Lager. Now, Caldera is a really good company. This beer particularly is 3.9% ABV, which makes it great for when you're on the go and you need a more inexpensive beer, because 99% of the time you're going to find this as a 6-pack under $7. This is made in a traditional lager way, just water, barley, hops, yeast. And it quickly becomes apparent that the quality is all there. That is just about the clearest lager I have seen from a craft company yet. It's got a beautiful little white head. The head doesn't stick around too long. Oh, and it's got a lovely barley scent to it with just a hint of yeast. And you could almost mistake lemon in it, but it does not have lemon in it. This is very traditional lager without the sour taste that you get from rice being added to a beer. Oh, ice cold. This is absolutely perfect. All you get is grain and hops. Really fantastic, really refreshing, and I heartily recommend it. Well guys, if you like this review, please rate and subscribe. Have a great night. Well guys, if you like this review, please rate and subscribe. You guys have a great night and have a great beer.